Hello friends, today we are going to cover the topic called the tonic triad in key of C major. So you can see it's written that chord is two or more notes played at the same time. That means you're playing C and G and E together. So like all together, okay? I will upload a video also for this, a practical video for you to understand this easier way. Tonic triad is a chord made up of first, third, and fifth degree of a scale. So that means if we have, say, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. Okay, this is the first degree, second degree, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. And this is the eighth is unison. So we have to use the first degree, third degree, and fifth degree. This is what they mean by degrees, okay, as you can see at the bottom also here. Okay, so you have to use only these three notes for tonic triad. Now how you have to put them in a staff, so you can see in the figure over here. So this is the middle C, and then above that C you can see there's E here, and then there's G here. Okay, so and they started from C, so C is the tonic, so this is called a tonic note. Okay, in the scale, when you learn a scale, uh, the first note is called the tonic note. Okay, so if you say, imagine if you're doing G major scale, so G will be the tonic note. Okay, that's what they mean by tonic note. So now what they have mentioned, it is called a tonic triad in the key of C major. So that means the tonic triad of C major means the tonic will be C note. First degree built up on the first degree. Now if it is showing on built up on the first degree, what they mean by that is that the first note of your chord is C. See, if you're playing C, G, and E, and you're playing first degree first, that means this is on tonic triad. You can play G, E, and C also. You can play E, C, G as well, right? You can play C, G, E as well. This will be the inversion of your C chord, okay? But if you sing tonic, that means you have to start with C only. C should be at the bottom, okay, the first note. So that how you mention it, you mention it by Roman numeral number like this, 1. Okay, now let's go ahead. Now you can see composer semitone sometimes label the tonic triad in C major and C especially. If so, you can see to mention the chord, you can write C on the top and you write the degree of it at the bottom. So always remember, if you're informing which chord you're playing, you have to write at the top. So let's move ahead. Let's do our questions first. So you can see the first one says add E's and G's to make the tonic triad in the key of C major. So that means they have given one note and we have to add two more adds. We have to add E and G's. So let's see, it's a treble clef. They have added C here. That means you have to add a G, E, and then a G. Okay. Next one, they have added C. So we have to take as the first. So we go upwards. We take E and then we take G. Okay. This is a bass clef. So let's start from here. This is C, then this is E, and this is G. Yeah. Let's go down. Next question says add either E or G to make the tonic triad in the key of C major. So we have to add one note only. So we can see this is starting treble clef on C. After C, it's E and then it's G. So we add G here. This is a bass clef. We're starting from C. Then this is C, this is E, and then we add G here. Now this is bass clef. This is C, this is G. We have to add E here. Okay. Now let's move to next question. Next question says, look at the music below. It is all written using the notes of tonic triad in the key of C major. Label the part that is tuned and the part that plays the chord. So you can see they have mentioned here the tune. Tune means when you're playing one note at a time, and chord means when you're playing more than one note at the same time. Okay. So let's see us here. You can see here this is tune definitely as they're playing one note, and this is the chord. Okay, now let's move to next one. So you can see at the treble clef, this is chord right now. These are the chords. So we write chords here. Okay, and this is tunes. Okay, next we have this is tune, and these are chords. Okay, now let's move. Next question. Using minims, write out the tonic triad in key of C major. Choose which tonic to start on. Okay, so so we have to use minims. We have to use minims and make choose which tonics. Okay, we can choose and C major scale. Okay, so this is a treble clef. Let's do this one for. So in the first example, they're starting the middle C. So in this one, we'll start the second C. Let's say we'll take this C and then E, then G, and we make it as, okay. So this is, we have to make it as minim. So this becomes our minim. Okay. Now next one we have bass clef. So in bass clef, we can just use this C and then use E and G. Okay. Next we have again treble clef. So this time let's start with middle C, then E, and then G. Okay. So that is how we finish our tonic triads. So in this one, if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll get back to you in the comment section. Okay. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, thank you.